Los Angeles School of Flower Design. We're here with Sam, the Flower Man. How long have you been doing flowers?
A week.
It's magnificent.
Thank you.
Keep spinning one more time around. Show your fans. Sam, the Flower Man. Stop right there. Go back this way a little bit. There's your view. Where's your bouquet, which I love too? Right into that camera. Look at that. So sweet. So feminine, beautiful. Sam was at a wedding recently and thought, I should be in the flower business. He was inspired by a really pretty wedding he did. Where was the wedding located?
Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara would be a place, yes. Now what do you think about being a florist?
I would like to be a florist.
You would like to be a florist?
I would like to be a florist.
You mentioned it was very calming and something else.
Yeah, peaceful.
Peaceful, yeah. Your work is stellar. This guy went from 0 to 60. He's like the Fast and Furious movie, part 12. This is spectacular. It's like a festive wedding balloon. It says love all over it. Wow.
How should I advertise myself?
How should you advertise? Sam's looking for work.
I'm looking for work.
Hire this guy. What's your last name?
Goin.
Spell it.
Goin.
And how do they find you?
Instagram.
Instagram. What is it?
Salmon Friends. I guess look at fish.
Salmon Friends.
SALMON_friends.
Would you prefer? He'd prefer anything in the business. He's so good. I think he belongs in a large event company, pumping out these for you. And he's very quick too. You're not slow, which most people when they start in the business are slow. We're in Los Angeles today at the Los Angeles School of Flower Design. It is so pretty. Spin it one more time. Give it a whirl all the way around. That's Calcinia, hydrangea, spray roses, 2 kinds of spray roses. A really pretty pink rose I use a lot. Asiatic lilies, which are a fraction of the Siberian lilies, and they look just as pretty. Hydrangea, gunai, or I call it Italian uke. And he's got a little bit of Queen Anne's lace right there and right there. It is superb. Oh, another rare beauty.
Hello.
Hello. How long have you been designing flowers?
Since Monday.
Since
and
Monday.
it's
She
Saturday.
joined Sam on the same day. Where's your pretty bouquet? Oh, it's beautiful. It's really perfect. This is Napa Valley, sort of boho chic-y thing with a lot of greens packed in. It's done perfectly, my dear.
Thank you.
Are you looking to work in the business?
Yeah, I am.
And how do they get a hold of you?
You can email me at nessamaze288@gmail.com.
Spell it.
NESSAMAZE288@gmail.com.
There you go. Your direct link to 2 of the hottest designers in LA is what I think. I said they've gone from 0 to 60 so quick. I wish they were with me for another week or another month. I just want to watch them. What's you going to do with those leftover flowers? You can do a toss bouquet.
Probably.
You can do a bridesmaid's bouquet.
Maybe do some boutonnieres.
And practice taping and wiring. All right, that's it. Superb. Flowerschool101.com.